Okay, here's an Olivia question. This is Andre.
Hey,
What's
Andre.
up?
Hey, Olivia.
A Walker.
Yes,
A Walker. OMFG.
What's up? It's great to finally talk to you.
A Walker is one of my greatest fans. He's awesome.
This is his name?
His
A
name
Walker?
is Andre Walker. He's from Chicago. He's great.
And you've ever spoken to him before?
No, I don't think we've ever spoken. He's been on my show during virtual audience, and we ask fans. They come in via webcams, and he's one of my forum moderators. He's fantastic.
Andre, thank you for being fantastic.
You're awesome. What's your question, Andre?
Well, first I want to thank you for letting me be a forum moderator on your forums. It's great. Have a lot of fun on there. I also wanted to congratulate you on being on the cover of Playboy next month.
Thank you. Yes, the July-August issue.
Everybody on the forums is excited about it, and can't believe it, and we just can't believe that this is happening for you. We know it's going to lead to big things. My question is, how did this all happen? Because I know you said that you would never do a news shoot unless you would get $10 million tax-free.
No, whoa. Would never do a what?
I wanted $10 million tax-free
to do what?
To do anything.
You didn't want to pay any taxes on it.
Yeah, I wanted $10 million up front.
So $20 million.
And I know Playboy approached you when you did the Greg Fitzsimmons show. They approached you to do a news shoot, and you turned it down. So I just wanted to know, how did it all happen?
Well, I got the offer, the Playboy offer, which came through, and I was it's kind of one of those moments where, like, holy crap, they're asking me, they want me to be on the cover? Well, no, I'm not going to do it, but that's awesome. And of course I said no, because I just don't want to do nude. And then a couple weeks...
The cover's never nude.
No, but inside. And usually to get the cover, you have to be nude inside.
Oh, is that true?
Yeah, and so there's only been a handful of people who've been allowed to do the cover without having to get naked. And so a couple weeks after I said no, they came back and they said, look, we want to do the cover and no nudity. And let's do it. So we did it, and the actual shoot was kind of exhausting, and I had this really crazy Swedish stylist guy who kept trying to get me naked. Like, it got to the point where literally my publicist and him were screaming at each other, and he walks out because it was, the whole reason that I wanted to do the shoot was it was non-nude. It's the cover, and it's Playboy, and I was really excited that it was non-nude. And here we are, the day of the shoot, and
the stylist wanted you with clothes on.
Yes, it's his job to put clothes on me, but he just wanted to take
mostly clothes off or completely clothes on.
He kept one of the things he pulled out was literally like this, and I'm describing this perfectly. It was all black fishnet, just fishnet all the way down with 2 half bikini cups on top where your boob would hang out, and basically everything's exposed beneath. So basically, with the fishnet and my vagina, it would look like a honey-baked ham just down there. Just my vagina would just be like, suffocating through this
Oh, I see.
net.
The way the honey-baked ham was sort of strung
with
in the string.
the string. Yes. So, but after all of that, we're very excited because it's a 2-month issue, so it'll stay on stands longer. June 19th.
So there you go.
That's my story. A Walker, OMFG.
OMFG. Thanks, Olivia.
Thank you.
Most of them just came, I think.
I think that's what happened. Most of the OMFG.
At the honey baked
just
ham?
said OMFG.